Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So today we're discussing about transaction data files backup. Okay, so we know wherever we have sensitive data and that file should be used in the future, we should take up the backup, right? So here today I will show the demo about how we'll able to take the backup very easily and efficient way. Okay, so this is transaction data server. Okay, that means our production server, and whenever the files coming here, it should be saved into a backup server also. Okay, so if you see here, the cycle one, wherever one is there, that is cycle one. When the pipeline is executed first time, it will copy all the four files. Okay, and in the cycle two, it copied only project data XLS X file. Okay, so this is we are expecting, right? That means you should not copy again all the files into the backup. That means you should copy all the files and override here. That is not we are expecting. We are expecting only what are the new and changed files. Okay, those files should be copied to transaction data files backup. How we are able to achieve this with the help of last modified attribute, right? The help of last modified attribute is just to copy new and changed files by last modified date with Azure Data Factory. Friends, we have an Azure Data Factory templates. There is a template, the exact template you can go and use that some template. You can achieve this um, achieve this task. Okay, so let's see. And if we have doubt where we require this, uh, what type of application we want this type of backup things. Yes, for example, you consider any application like water portal, income tax application we are frequently using, right? And other bank websites, the users uploading their photos, Aadhaar card, PAN card, and any dynamically generated files in the application, all files should be saved and taking the backup. The reason is that those are sensitive data. Okay, we should require in the future, right? So if we have and other reasons also there why we need to take a backup, we'll see other reasons. The reasons might be any technical reasons, right? It might be corrupted due to any technical reasons, or any natural disasters, or any fire accidents, whatever maybe. We may lose the data in the production server, so we can't able to restore without backup. So that is the reason we require in a backup. Okay, for the sensitive data and future user files, right? How will able to achieve this backup very easily with the help of Azure Data Factory templates. We'll go and see that now in a practical way. Okay, so we'll go. Yeah, yes, friends. So this is our Azure Data Factory. Okay, so here if you come to pipeline section, there is three dots. If you click there and select pipeline from template, friends, there are so many templates are available. So we know what is the advantage of template, right? We don't want to write from scratch. There is a specific template for specific task we can use. It will reduce the our time. That means it will increase the productivity for the developers. So today here we are using this template. Copy new files only by last modified date. So when you click there, it will open our template in our panel. So friends, here two things we need to do. One is source linked service and destination linked service we should provide here. So there is no, so already I have one linked service source, okay, and destination. Both are I have, but I will create from scratch. For that, what I want to do, I just cancel this one. I will go to manage. Here linked service available. I'm trying to delete these things. Okay, trying to delete. I deleted successfully. Okay, because I want to show you how to create those things also. Now I'm in the template. I'm providing new linked service connection source. I'm giving linked service source, and type is blob storage, and authentication type is account type. Subscription, my subscription, storage account. So source is user details. Okay, and click on create. So here I'm selecting Azure storage account. Okay, source is done. Same way we need to do for destination. You give destination, destination. block storage, authentication type account key, subscription, and my destination is template destination storage, right? Click on create. Yeah, so my source and destination linked services are ready. Okay, these are both are pointing to Azure Blob Storage. One is source, one is for destination. I'm clicking on use this template. Okay, now what exactly we want to do? Now we given the linked service, but we need to specify the exact path, right? That we know. So here, friends, there are 6 parameters, right? One is folder path source. The folder path source representing the our container. It is getting folder path source representing our container. So what is our container? So my storage account is user details. Okay, and inside that user details, employee is my container. Employee is my container, and folder is transaction files. I'm deleting this file. Okay, now only one file is there. Okay, this is, and that means what is our source? Employee our source, nothing but our container. I'm giving employee. Subfolder is our transaction files. I'm giving subfolder transaction files. Suppose if you don't want to give subfolder, you just give here slash forward slash. That's it. You don't want to give here folder name. Destination folder. What is destination folder? This is my storage account. In the destination folder is, that means container is last modified files. Last modified files. This is my container. I want to give some subfolder, that is transaction files backup. I'm giving that name. And here date from unto. So friends, when it will start execution, okay, the files in between the dates we need to take, right? I'm giving 2023-08. Okay, today's date is 30. I'm giving 30, and my future date is 2030. I'm giving 2030 12 31st. Okay, so what are the files coming in between these two dates? It should be take the backup. That is the meaning. We'll go and see here template files. Already last modified files is our container. Inside container one folder is there. I'm deleting this file also here for showing demo properly. Okay, if you come here, now there is no folder, right? If there is no file, the folder also will be deleted here. Okay, so now our our setup is done. Now we have given everything, folder path source, directory source, destination folder, destination directory, everything we given, and we've given the dates also. Now we just click on debug and we'll see, and we just verify the data. And friends, these names are case sensitive, so please keep in mind. Okay, I'm just clicking on OK. Now it will start executing. So it will start executing. It is queued. So what we are expecting, so what is the file is there here? Employee data file is there. Okay, that we are expecting to copy here, right? But that will not copy here. The reason I will tell you. Okay, because this last modified date, that is the reason it is not copied, because we given the last modified date is 13. Okay, but it is, this file is copied 12th right here. That is the reason this file will not copy to this destination folder. We'll see success, already success. Come to template and you refresh it, the files will not come here. Okay, now we'll come to actual scenario. Now I am uploading new file here. My file is movies. I uploaded, done. Okay, now file is movies is there here, right? Now I'm running again. Now it should copy our movies file to destination. It will executing now. We'll see. Now it should come that file here. It should come that file with the transaction files backup folder. Okay, once it is succeeded, we will see the result. Yeah, it is succeeded. Go and see template files. See, the folder is created, transaction files backup, and movies file is came here. Okay, so now you understand, right? What are the files we moved here in the our source? This is source, and it automatically will come here. Currently we are running the pipeline in a manual way, but it should be executed in automated way in somehow that we will see. Fine. So now what is our next scenario? I want to upload one more file, project data. I am uploading project data file. So I'm uploading this file. Okay. Now I'm running again our pipeline. I'm clicking on debug again, clicking on OK. We'll see. So friends, what you are expecting now? So here project data is the new file. This file only need to copy there. But okay, this should not copy this movies file. Anyway, this file will not copy because this is out of our timeline. Okay, only project data file should copy because movies file already there. Movies file already there. It should not copy here, and it is not updated also. Okay, we'll see. So it is succeeded, and we need to refresh it. So if you observe here, movies file also copied. Project data file is copied, very good, and but movies file also copied. See, timestamp is same last month. So that means this is not our expectation, right? Our expectation is you should copy only last file, last modified and new files. Only new and modified files you should copy. Okay. So how you will achieve it that one? So we can achieve that one through adding triggers. Okay. There is another way is event trigger, but friends here based on our requirement we can take a decision here. Okay, if there is a very large amount of data will coming within a seconds or minutes, that time event trigger I hope not suitable. Okay, because at the same time through two three files are coming, four five files are coming, I don't know how it will be execute if large amount of data will come. Okay, so please take care to take a decision which trigger we want to take it. So better way is take some tumbling window trigger and give the frequency. Okay, I'm creating trigger now. Okay, my trigger is, so I don't want to change the name. So I'm selecting tumbling window trigger because in future if you want to add any dependency it will be support tumbling window trigger. Okay, so I'm giving 5 minutes friends. So 5 minutes is the least time. You cannot give more than less than 5 minutes. If you give 4 it will show error. Okay, so we should give minimum 5 minutes time. So this will start executing 3:51:59. That means it is a UTC time. So you can add 5.5 hour here. 5.5 hour if we add it, this one is 9 hour 9:21. See 9:22 time. Okay, yeah, this is fine. Click on OK. So again here we need to specify all those values. Again you need to specify all those values. What is the folder path? Source, employee, and directory source. Directory source is transaction files. Transaction files. And destination is last modified files. Directory destination is transaction. What is the directory destination? Transaction files backup. Files backup, right? And last modified from unto. So friends, this last modified from unto should be in a dynamic values. Here trigger out outputs dot window start time. Copy this one, paste here. It is window end time. Window start time and window end time. Yeah, now our trigger parameters are ready. So I will explain what exactly it is going on last modified from and last modified to for trigger. Okay, so our trigger is ready, but we should publish, otherwise trigger will not execute. So I'm publishing all the artifacts. Okay, once it is published, so we will execute it. Otherwise, we will wait for 5 minutes. Yes. So now around time is 9:22, 9:23 we can given. So it will execute after 5 minutes. Okay. We'll wait friends. We'll see how it will be executed. So where we will see the execution here, go to monitor, go to the pipeline runs. Here trigger runs is there. Go and see trigger runs. Our trigger is trigger one, right? So we will see the trigger runs here. Okay, we'll wait 3-4 minutes. We need to wait. Okay. Hi friends. So here we need to upload the new file, right? Otherwise, how we'll able to understand it is working or not? So I'm uploading a new file, user details. Okay, uploaded one file. So we'll see it is moved or not. Okay. So this time it should move only user details file. Okay, it should not move movies or project data file. So and already in the destination movies and project data is there. Only user data details file should be moved here, right? So we'll go and see the trigger is started execution or not. So it started execution already 9:26 to Windows start time. Sorry, Windows start time is 9:21 to 9:26. Okay, so in between any file came, it will be pushed to destination. But we'll see this will not push it, I think, because the file we uploaded at 9:28. So this will push it in the next cycle, right? We'll wait. Okay, yeah, friends. Now we will see next cycle. So next cycle also it is executed 9:26 to 9:31. So in that time already one file is came here. Okay, so we'll check that file is moved in the destination or not. So that file is see it is moved. This is a details file. But you see this date time, this timestamp of these two files 9:20, but this file timestamp is 9:31. That means it is working as expected. Okay, it is moving only modified file or newly updated file. So we have doubt how it is executing exactly. Friends, already we given the uh, if you go and see it pipeline runs, sorry, parameters, sorry. Now if you go and see triggers, in the triggers you see there is an option code. If you click here it will see the code. So if you see here how it is working actually, it is working, see, last modified, from last modified to trigger when last execution happened for the trigger, when the trigger is executed last time. Okay, so these parameters are dynamic, right? So whenever last modified to executed, that will be become a last modified from for the next cycle, right? So because of that it is executing properly. So now if you go and see the monitor, sorry, you need to cancel here, click on monitor, and if you see here trigger runs actually. In the trigger run you see window start time, window end time, this is the time it is fetching there. Okay, so now it is window end time 9:31, right? Next cycle 9:31 is the window start time. Okay, based on these parameters it will execute properly. We will achieve what we are expecting, right? Thank you friends, have a nice day. So if you like this video please like and subscribe and share.